So this is my first video on statistics for data science and also my first YouTube video. This playlist is for everyone, even age beginner or expert. So starting this video by opening Jupyter notebook. For this, hitting Jupyter notebook in command prompt. Then it will automatically open a file. Now I am opening this first file. So here you can see it is written that why statistics for data science. When I sit with junior developer and some student, they often ask me how I become data scientist. I want to become machine learning engineer. They are totally confused because they follow the path described on online article and some coaching institute they follow. Even they spend money on coachings, but when it comes to interview and technical round part, then they got failed because the path they follow does not cover base of machine learning. I also saw many big IT influencer, big mean really big, tell you you do not need to learn statistics and mathematics for learning machine learning. So yes, you can learn machine learning without learning statistics and mathematics, but you will not get the job. Even coaching institute does not cover base of machine learning. They just blindly teaching you many frameworks like they are teaching you scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, and we create hype like AI will change the future. You will get a multi-billion-dollar salary if you learn machine learning and data science. And student fall into that trap, and after trapping you, they earn money, and the student got nothing. After all, you want to become data scientist, and for this, you have to explore very huge data set. You can assume that you have an Excel file with 1 billion records, and after analyzing this file, you have to come up with meaningful insights. Like you often saw medical experiment insights done with 20,000 people for 1 year, and their insights are like eating apple per day reduce the risk of heart attack. So this is not the easy task. You cannot come up with meaningful insights if you do not have sound understanding of statistics. You can note one more thing, that learning statistics is long lasting knowledge, and if you want to become machine learning engineer, then you do not have any option that you do not want to learn statistics. You have to learn it. But for frameworks, it's keep changing. Like 1 decade ago, I was using scikit-learn. After that, I was using TensorFlow. Then nowadays, I am using PyTorch. So we cannot rely on framework knowledge. So the conclusion is, if you want to learn statistics and want job as data scientist, so you have to take this seriously. There is no shortcut because in every interview they will often ask core statistics and data science question. And I also saw that even paid data science courses do not including statistics part. That's why I am creating this playlist, statistics for data science. So now come to the point. You can see that it is written on screen. Why statistics for data science? When I say statistics for data science, so what does statistics mean? Is it same as conventional statistics or have some difference? So the answer is it is different than conventional statistics. So the question is how it is different. So I will cover it in next video. And from next video I will cover core statistics for data science. So I think this is enough for this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in next one.